What's up, Lincoln Charter School? It's Tuesday. It's Mr. Ways Math Facts. We are back with simple division word problems. We started yesterday. We went over two problems together. I gave you a third problem that I wanted you to figure out on your own. So we're going to start with that problem. Then we'll do one more. And then I'll give you another one that I want you to figure out on your own and leave your answer in the comments. Um, Along with that, if you have any questions on any of your work, math, science, social studies, reading, writing, whatever, you can leave that in the comments. I will help you with whatever you're having problems with, not just math, but I do daily math facts, as you already know. So we're going to jump right into um, your problem that you were supposed to solve for today, which was there are 5 students in class and 10 oranges. If the oranges are divided equally among the students, how many does each student get? Let's read that one more time together. There are 5 students in the class and 10 oranges. If the oranges are divided equally among the students, how many does each student get? I'll give you a couple seconds or minutes to let you work that out. And then I'll show you what I got for my answer. But while y'all figuring that out, how's everybody been doing? Mr. Wade's been doing pretty good. You see, I cut my hair again, but I've been doing pretty good. I've been staying inside. I've been practicing my social distancing and staying corona free. And I'm hoping all of you have been doing the same thing because we want everybody to come back to school when it's time to go back to school. But now, let's go with what I have. This is what we know. We have 5 students and we have 10 oranges. As you see, I got my 5 students. I'm not real good, so these are students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I just worked my dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and they came out to 2 oranges per student. I got my 5 students. If you count the dots, that equals 10, so it was 2 oranges per student. Or if you're really good in math, down here you can just jump straight into your division and you would have divided 10 divided by 5, which in this case we got 2 because 2 times 5 equals 10. We subtract 10 minus 10 equals 0, which means it went in evenly. And again, it came out to each student got 2 oranges. So I'm hoping you got 2 oranges for your answer as well, because that's what Mr. Way got. Now we're going to move on to another problem. I'm going to give you a little bit of time, give you a chance to write it down, and then we're going to work it out together. It says Judy has 20 pencils stored in boxes. If there are 5 boxes, how many pencils must go in each box? Let me read it again. Judy has 20 pencils stored in boxes. If there are 5 boxes, how many pencils must go in each box? So you got 20 pencils, 5 boxes. How many pencils must go in each box? I'll give you a couple seconds to work that out, and then I'm going to show you how Mr. Wayne worked it out. And I'll show you a number of different ways that you can work it out. You can draw pictures if you need to. If, like I said, if you're really good at math, you can just jump straight into your division and figure out the answer, because these are one-step problems. Probably about Wednesday, maybe Thursday, we'll get into multiple step division problems. So I'm hoping that you guys are working these problems out as we're doing them right now, because it's going to help you when we get into multiple step problems. But okay, let's jump into my answer. Let's go with the information that was given to us. We had 20 pencils. We had 5 boxes. So again, I drew my boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I just started giving out dots until I ran out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's all the dots I had. So it came out to each box had 4 pencils. As you see down here, each pen is 4 pencils in each box. And if you're really good in math, like I said, some of y'all I know have the ability to work ahead, and I appreciate that, but you would do it like this. You would have 20 divided by 5, which in this case we came out with 4 because 4 times 5 equals 20. We put our 20 down, and we subtracted 20 minus 20 equals 0, which means it went in evenly as we set up here. Each box would have 4 pencils. So either way you did it, it still came out to each box had 4 pencils. I'm hoping that's the way you did it. Or if you had another way, if you still figured out that it was 4, congratulations, you figured it out. And there's going to be some times where you're going to find ways which works better for you. These are just ways that you can use to get to the answer, but there's more than one way to find the answer. And now this problem right here is for tomorrow. I want you to leave your answer in the comments. So I'm going to give you this one. I'm going to read it twice, and then I'm going to let you get to work. It says, Carolyn is inviting 8 friends to a party. She has 24 cookies. How many cookies will each friend get? Let me read it again. Carolyn is inviting 8 friends to a party. She has 24 cookies. How many cookies will each friend get? That is your problem for tomorrow. I want you to leave your answer in the comments if you're able to figure it out. If not, we'll figure it out together the next day. So this is Mr. Way. I'm signing off. I want y'all to stay in, stay healthy, do your work. Make sure you're signed into your Google Classroom, doing your attendance tickets and doing your work. If you have to go outside, practice social distancing. Make sure you're wearing a mask and stay corona free so we can see each other whenever we get back to school. See ya.